Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to take you through the process of converting this footage that was taken with the Protake app on mobile phones on Log C to a REC709 footage. Let's head over to the tutorial itself. Just like you know, I'm a DaVinci Resolve expert, so we'll be using DaVinci Resolve for this tutorial. So the first thing we have to do is set up a workspace to DaVinci Resolve intermediate and output color space to REC709A. Because I'm on Mac, if you're on Windows you can just set it to REC709 and that will be fine. Now on the first node we have to add a color space transform. Head over to your effect and search for color space transform. Color space transform, drag it to your first node and go to your input color space and select the RE gamma 4 and go to your input gamma and select the RE log 3. Now create a new node. Now add a new color space transform and convert this from DaVinci White Gamma Intermediate to REC709 gamma 2.4. Now if you pay attention closely to the footage, you see that we have gotten a little bit of color to our footage, but the contrast and the highlights are actually not balanced. So we have to add a node in between these two nodes, and now go to our primary adjustment, go to our log views and adjust the shadows, bring it down a bit. Now go to your color views and adjust the highlight. Now adjust your midtones. Now we can see that our footage is looking oversaturated or something, so we have to bring down the saturation by adding a node after our 3 nodes. Right click on it, go to color space, select HSV. HSV stands for hue, saturation and value. Now right click again and go to channels, uncheck channel 1 and uncheck channel 3, leaving channel 2 intact. Now go to your highlight and reduce the green value this way. Now you can see that our footage is looking more better than before. You can make some adjustments to this based on your preference. Let's add a new node and go to our blur section, add a little bit of sharpness. Now go to your log views and adjust the highlight a bit, adjust the midtones, and yeah, this is our results. This is the before and this is the after. This is not looking bad. You can tweak your grade according to your preference, but this is actually what you're gonna get at the end of the day after doing your conversion. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like and drop a comment in the comment section. See you next week.